Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 6th for the subject of mathematics, chapter 5, fractions, which is being submitted to you on 12th July 2021. Children, we have discussed fraction in the last class. Now we are going to continuing with the same chapter. In the previous assignment, we have discussed about addition and subtraction of fractions. Now, in today's lesson, we will be discussing about representation of a fraction on a number line. And then we will discuss about multiplication and division of fractions. So let us see how to represent a fraction on a number line. Now children, you can see that we have a number line and the numbers from the midpoint towards right side are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Children, these numbers are called positive numbers and it goes till infinity, right? And from the midpoint, the numbers towards left are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it goes till infinity, right? And all these are called negative numbers. I hope you all have understood positive numbers and negative numbers, right? Now children, let us learn how to represent the fractions on a number line. So, let us take up a question from exercise 5C. Question number 1. Represent each of the following on the number line. So children, here first part is 1/2, or you can say half. Now children, we know that half lies between 0 and 1. Basically, 1/2 is the midpoint of 0 and 1. Now, we will consider the midpoint of 0 and 1. Now, see on the number line, I have taken number 0 and 1. And children, it is important to take one extra number on both sides. Right? It is very, very important. Now, let us take the midpoint of 0 and 1. So that this midpoint is 1/2. I hope you all have understood. So this is how we represent a fraction on a number line. Good. Now children, see the second part, 2/3. Here also we know that 2/3 lies between 0 and 1. Children, note down one very important point here. Whenever the numerator is less than the denominator, or you can say that whenever it's a proper fraction, it always lies between 0 and 1. Right? Now let us consider 0 and 1 on a number line. Now as per the rule, we have to take one extra number on both sides with equal gap, right? Same distance. Now see the denominator is 3. So the distance between 0 and 1, we have to divide this into 3 equal parts. Clear? Now, after that, the first one is 1/3 and the second one is the required fraction, that is 2/3. Children, remember here, whatever is the denominator, accordingly we will do the divisions. If here denominator is 5, so the area between 0 to 1 we divide into 5 divisions. I hope you all have understood now. Now let us take one more example. Now have a look, fourth part. Now children, fourth part is an improper fraction, right? That is 5 upon 4. So let us convert this into mixed fraction. So here 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5. So here it is 1 by 4. Now children, 1 by 4 lies between 1 and 2. So we will consider 1 and 2 on a number line, right? So we have taken 1 and 2, and as per the rule, take one extra number on both sides, that is on the right as well as the left side, right? Now children, just now I told you in the previous part, here the denominator is 4, right? So the distance between 1 to 2, we have to make 4 divisions, right? So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the first one is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, right? So the required fraction is the first one, that is 1 by 4, or I can write this as 5 by 4 as given in the question. Children, remember here, the distance between 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 should be same, right? Make sure you will use scale while drawing these number lines, and you can take at least 2 centimeter distance, right? Is it clear? Very good. Now let us discuss next part. Now children, see the fifth part, minus 1 upon 5. It's a negative fraction. Now we can see that it is an proper fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator, right? Suppose if there is no negative sign, then it will lie between 0 and 1. But since it's a negative fraction, so it lies between 0 and minus 1, right? So let us consider 0 and minus 1 on a number line. Now children, you know the direction. Negative numbers are always on the left side, right? So now again see, the denominator is 5. So let us divide the distance from 0 to minus 1 into 5 equal parts, right? So we have 5 divisions here now. Children, one very important thing here, whenever we are considering the negative numbers, we always start from right to left. So the first point is minus 1 upon 5, then minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5, right? Here, as per the requirement, the first point is minus 1 upon 5. So this is how we represent a negative number, or you can say a negative fraction on a number line. Now children, let us consider question number 2. In question number 2, we have to represent 2 fractions on a same number line. Now have a look how to do. First of all, consider 1 upon 4. Now children, you can see that 1 upon 4 is an proper fraction. In a proper fraction lies between 0 to 1. So the denominator is 4. So the distance between 0 to 1 we have to divide into 4 divisions. And the first division is 1 by 4. Similarly, the distance between 0 to minus 1 also we have to divide into 4 equal parts. And from right to left, the first division is minus 1 upon 4. So that is how we can represent two fractions together on a same number line. I hope you all have understood. Now children, let us discuss the next part, that is 2 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 5. Here children, you can see that these are proper fractions. So 2 upon 5 will lie between 0 to 1. Similarly, minus 2 upon 5 will lie between 0 to minus 1. Right? Now see the denominator, it is 5. So let us divide the distance from 0 to 1 into 5 equal divisions. Right? So now you can see the first one is, that is from left to right. The first one is 1 upon 5. Then the second one is 2 upon 5, which is the required fraction. Now children, similarly, we have divided the distance from 0 to minus 1 into 5. Right? So the first division from right to left is minus 1 upon 5. And the second one is minus 2 upon 5, which is the required fraction. Clear? Now let us discuss one more part, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now children, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, you can see that both are proper fractions, right? So both will lie between 0 and 1. Now half, that is 1 by 2, is the midpoint of 0 to 1. So we just take the midpoint and that is 1 by 2. But in case of 1 by 3, we have to divide the distance from 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. So this is the first part, then second. So 1, 2 and 3, right? Just ignore this half here. So here the first part is 1 by 3 and the next part is 2 by 3, right? Now children, I hope you all have understood the number line very well. Now let us discuss multiplication and division of fractions. Children, multiplication of fractions is product of numerators upon product of denominators. That means we have to multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. And in case of mixed fractions, we convert them into improper fraction and then we multiply, right? Now let us see in case of division. To divide a whole number by any fraction, we multiply that number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction is written by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. Now children, let us discuss few questions from exercise 5D. Now in question number 1, we have to multiply the two fractions. So children, as per the rule, we multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. That is 2 multiplied by 5 upon 5 multiplied by 18. Children, here we need to simplify it. We can cancel the like terms. It is 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So the answer is 1 upon 9. I hope you all have understood now. Now see question number 3, first part, 2 by 3 multiply by 5 upon 12. Children, let us convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 upon 3 multiply by 5 upon 12. Here also we can cancel the term, we can simplify it. This is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So we are left with 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9. Now children, you can see that it is improper fraction. We never leave our answer in improper fraction. Whenever it is an improper fraction, we always convert into mixed fraction, right? So this is 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 9, right? Now see question number 4, first part, 12 multiply by minus 5 upon 6. Now here children, the denominator of 12 is 1, right? So 12, now 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10 and there was negative sign, so it is minus 10, right? Now have a look, question number 5, fifth part, minus 16 upon 23. We have to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of this number is minus 23 upon 16, right? Now let us see how to divide the two fractions. Here 8 means 8 upon 1. Now instead of division sign, we will use the sign of multiplication and the fraction after this division sign will take the reciprocal. So here it is 8 multiplied by 25 upon 12. We just interchange the numerator and the denominator. That is called its reciprocal. Children, remember here, whenever we have to divide two fractions, we always take the reciprocal of the second fraction, right? Like this. Now again we can simplify this. This is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 25 2s are is 50, 50 upon 3. Again you can see that it is an improper fraction. So we can convert this into a mixed fraction, right? That is 16 3s are 48 and 48 plus 2 is 50. Clear? Now see 7th question, first part. Again we have to divide. Now 3 1 by 4 is in mixed fraction. So let us consider this into improper fraction. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. Now instead of this division sign, we'll use the sign of multiplication and we'll take the reciprocal. So it will become 8 upon 1. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 13 2s are 26. So 26 is the answer. Now children, question number 9, first part is 2 upon 3 multiply by 9 upon 16 multiply by 4 upon 27. So, we multiply all the numerators and same as the denominators. And before that, we can simplify the terms. Right? Here 2 ones are 2, then 2 8s are 16, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. Right? 9 ones are 9, 9 3s are 27. So after simplification, the answer is 1 upon 18. Right? Now see the seventh part of the same question. Now children, you can see the terms are in mixed fraction and there are 4 terms. So let us convert them into improper fraction, right? So 1 7 by 8 is 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7 is 15 upon 8. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28 upon 5. 1 upon 7 as it is. 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11 upon 6. Right? So we can simplify. Right? After simplification, the answer is 11 upon 4. And after converting into mixed fraction, it is 2 3 by 4. Now see, question number 10 is 3 upon 8 of which is 30. That is, we have to find a number whose 3 upon 8 is 30. So 3 upon 8 of a number is 30. Right? Now I will consider 3 upon 8 and bring it to the other side. Now children, here 3 upon 8 when it goes to other side, that is from left side to right side, it is 30 divided by 3 upon 8. Or you can write 30 multiply by 8 upon 3. So here after simplification, the answer is 80. Therefore, the number is 80. Right? I hope children you all have understood very well how to multiply and how to divide the two fractions. Right? So now you can do the given homework in your maths register. Thank you everyone.